To be or not to be a freelancer? Do you have the profile to be self-employed? You will find on the internet books, questionnaires, and a whole series of tests to help you answer the question. For example, do you like challenges? Where others see problems, do you see possibilities? For you, does action matters more than reflection? Do you strive for excellence in everything you do? Etc. Often up to 50 questions. At the end of these questionnaires, which claim to be very serious, you are given a conclusion, whether or not you have what it takes to be self-employed. Here is what Freelancer Exchange thinks of these. First, just because the question list is long, it does not make it more solid. Second, your answers reflect your opinion, it is not an exact measure of what you are in reality. Third, they are hypothetical questions. Fourth, there is no context in which you are asked these questions. I also give you 4 additional reasons to doubt the effectiveness of these questionnaires. 1. They compare your results with the answers of a model entrepreneur, as if it existed. 2. Or, with entrepreneurs who have already succeeded. They seem to forget that it is after years of work and experience that these entrepreneurs have acquired this level of skills. It's a safe bet that they did not work the same way at the beginning. 3. Also, it will not be of much use to you if you have lost your job, and the only solution you have to consider is to create your own job. 4. There are plenty of entrepreneurs who have a profile that defies the popular image. Entrepreneurs who are not necessarily extroverted, organized, visionary, etc. Not everyone is looking to become a Bill Gates or start the next Tesla. Talk to your local tool rental store owner. He is doing very well, thank you. So take these questionnaires with a grain of salt. A bit like you would about a questionnaire in a popular magazine. Do not conclude too fast that it is not possible for you. Who else besides you can really evaluate your potential? And do you really need the discouraging opinion of a few naysayers around you? What more do they really know? On the other side of the coin, it is not because these questionnaires would give you a very positive result that you end up with a guarantee of success. So what does Freelancer Exchange suggest? Conduct your own tests. If this idea of becoming self-employed itches you, and you do not try it, you might regret it that you didn't. So, try. But try intelligently. For example, it is not necessary to leave your current job when you know where to start, what to test, what to do at the beginning. If you wonder where to start, watch the video. Become a freelancer. To get a better feel where to start. Thank you for watching. Go to the video Become a Freelancer now. It will help you understand how and where to start.